What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're at Grubbs Infiniti, driving the 2020 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission. So you guys know I love making videos on any Q50 or Q60 Red Sport, especially ones that are a little bit older as well, like this 2020 model. I don't think I have any videos. I haven't made a video on a 2020 Q50 or Q60 Red Sport before. And these are very popular pre-owned vehicles, especially older Red Sports. They sell very, very quickly, very sought after. Really fun cars to drive, and I really like the metal shift paddles in this one. This was an option. You could either get the plastic shift paddles or like these cool metal ones. They look really nice and they feel nice too. You have the pretty standard Q50 interior in here, the 2-screen setup. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view backup camera. You also have Sport Plus, the Red Sport. You also have this cool interior metal trim. You have the Bose Performance Series sound system, and this one also has the gallery white interior with red stitching, which looks really good. Pretty small center console though. You have a sunroof in this vehicle. You also have a leather dash with red contrast stitching, which is also very, very nice. Rear seats also look good, and I also really like the diamond stitching on the seats. You also have heated seats as well, but no ventilated seats. But let's walk around this Q50 Red Sport in a second, and then we'll take it out for a drive. And if you can also scroll through your menus right here using this little button. But let's walk around the vehicle now. Yeah, the Q50s and Q60s are really fun to drive, whether you get a pure deluxe, sensory, or Red Sport. All of them are really nice cars. So you have carbon fiber mirror caps on this one. You have the red S 3.0 T badge on the side. Nice gray wheels with red performance calipers. Nice looking car. LED headlights. Here are the rear seats. Gallery white with the black interior with the black exterior is quite good. And this one looks like this one has a performance exhaust on it. You also have a Q50S badge on the back, also a carbon fiber deck lid spoiler. It's a nice car. Very heavy trunk. Here's the trunk space. This is also the all-weather mat. Yeah, it's a really heavy trunk. Well, let's get this Q50 Red Sport out on the road. You also have a button on the side of the seat to make the side bolsters, you know, squeeze you tighter in the seat, which I'm about to do. But let's get this car out on the road. Here's the key fob, standard Infiniti key fob. You also have remote start. These cars also sound really good too. Like, as a pre-owned car, the Q50 is a great value. You don't really see Q50 or Q60 Red Sports all that often. I barely ever see these on the road. You know, everybody's waiting for the new Q50 to come out. It's gonna be awesome. Sounds really nice. It's kind of a rainy day, so got to be a little bit careful on the acceleration. So gonna take it a little bit easy. Just gonna enjoy the drive. Overall, this 2020 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport is a very fun sedan to drive, just like every other Red Sport. Really nice looking car, and it's comfortable, it's fun, has good features. What more do you need in a pre-owned luxury sedan? But thanks as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of pre-owned Infiniti vehicles.